And it is time to style. Well, I'm styling and I'm testing out a product that's not new. I'm probably the last person to test it out, but I'm gonna test it out anyway because I bought it and I just want to see how it works. What am I talking about? Well, and also it's gonna be it's a mix type of thing too. So for the main purpose of this video, I am going to be testing the new Blue Cap Extreme Professional Styling Gel. Yes, I know there are 50 million videos on this already, but I ain't did one yet. Y'all ain't got my flavor. This is the new Blue Cap, which is supposed to be more moisturizing, hold and care with aloe vera. Of course, it is alcohol-free, fresh smell, and no residue. And the hold level is 10. Maximum hold. How I'm doing this as it's a mix is I am mixing it with the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. I did do another it's a mix with this. This smells so good. It's stupid moisturizing and it makes your hair so very soft. It smells very, very good and it really, really moisturizes the hair. This is probably to me, shout out to baby boy, the best product out of this entire line. To me. I did not pre-test. I'm just gonna do it and see what happens. Right now I am deep conditioning, boop, and I will come back once I... Hey, it's me. Something in your eye. All right, it has been 30 minutes exactly, almost. And now getting ready to go in with the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Primer. So if you watch the other It's a Mix video that I did, then you will already see my kind of overall synopsis of it, talking about what it said, what it did, and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna go through that in this video. I'm gonna kind of blow through applying it a little bit, but I will at least, it smells so good. I will at least show you the consistency of it and give it a comparison to lotion. So, very, very creamy, as you can see there. And if this was a lotion, this would definitely be normal to dry. You know what? This is dry. It's dry because it's thick, but it does have a good amount of movement to it. So if it was a lotion, this would be like a dry lotion consistency. All right, so I'm gonna blow through, you know, my normal applying it, work on my ends, and then work it all the way up and go all the way around. So let's do it so we can get to the main course. So my coconut custard primer, which smells heavenly, is all applied. I sealed my ends in with my Adwoa Beauty oil, and now we are ready to style with level 10 Extreme Gel Styling Gel. What? Extreme Professional Styling Gel. So I did go ahead, just kind of, you know, re-wet my hair in wet water because, you know, gels need water.
Other breaking news. Water. Wet.
Even though this says you can do it on wet or dry hair, my experience with Wetline Xtreme is wet is best, so it definitely smells nice. Very pleasant. Ooh. A glump. So for the smell, it smells like, have y'all ever had the caramel apple suckers? The caramel apple suckers, you know, where the wrapper be all messed up because of the caramel on the inside. And then like once you suck the sucker down some, it has the green apple middle or candy base.
The apple flavor.
That's what this smells like. All right, first area done. So far, not looking that bad at all.
Precious.
Not bad at all. So let's do the rest. Okay, here we are, all applied everywhere, all applied. Now are you ready to shake? Woo! All right. Okay, hold on.
Get it together.
Because we don't want to tumble in the tub. Not to tumble in the tub. Not tonight. Tonight we don't want to tumble in the tub. All right, so my mirror is here. You may have seen it from time to time. It is a splattered mess now, but what do we think? Yeah, no part this time. No real style to it. Just let it fall. Let it fall and rest as it may. I'm down with that. Wednesday night, as I said, it's so stupid late. I have to still edit, so I'm not coming back tonight. I will probably come back in a day or two just to say what it looks like. We'll talk about what the gel said, did, and if there's anything that I need from it. Okay, I'll see y'all in a day or two, maybe 3. Hey, it's me. It is, so what day did I wash my hair? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Day 4, day 5, depending on how you count it. It's several days after I wash my hair. So this is my day 4/5 hair with this. And pretty good. So let's talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. So it's pretty simple. It just says that it's going to help me to gain control of my hairstyle with extreme hold all day without residue and with the care of aloe vera. So it talks about the smell being fresh, and I definitely do agree that the smell is fresh. No residue, it definitely did that. There was absolutely no flaking at all, not even fine flaking happened. So it definitely did not leave any residue. It says extreme fixation, 24-hour duration. I mean, it's day 4 and my hair is still really, really good. Let me move you in closer so that you can see it. So here is the front. Still got really good definition in there. Here is what the side looks like. Here, definition is really good still. Give you the other side. And the back. So also, you know, it says with the aloe vera that it's going to be conditioning and that it's made to be moisturizing. I definitely think that it did both of those things. My hair is so super soft. It was soft day one, which is very not normal when it comes to using the original Green Top Extreme gel. So this definitely did conditioning. It did help my hair feel moisturized. My hair is still moisturized. Let's see. Yep. If you can see that little bit of shine. It is still well moisturized, and it paired very well with the Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Primer. So great moisture combination between these two. Would I recommend them? Yes, I absolutely would. It's day 4. I can definitely hold this over for like a full week. Definitely could. It just did everything that it said that it was gonna do. So I'll probably kind of still toggle back and forth between the Green Top and the new moisturizing kind, because they're both really good. And if you are someone that follows the curly girl method, this gel is curly girl friendly. So just a FYI, for those that do care about the ingredients, it is curly girl friendly. All right, comment down below. Let me know if you've used it. I feel like everyone at this point may have. This was a good mix. Once again, make sure that you press the like the thumbs up. Please press the thumbs up. Subscribe is right there. Go ahead and subscribe. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. Share this if you think someone could benefit or learn something from it. And once again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural. I'll see you next time.